process-based performance called Perennial Passage. I used clothing from my female friends and family and from Goodwill. Taking the donated clothes apart and painting and drawing on them the memories that they bring up for me. So if this shirt reminds me of my mother who used to, run every day in the morning, I would draw that corresponding memory. And then I'll pin them to the clothing lines using the pins from this dress, which has over 2,000. And the quicker that I express myself and create these memory drawings, the lighter my load will become, literally and conceptually. I created a passageway with the poles and the lines for the viewer to walk through to symbolize journey and transition, change. These clothes are given a new life through the drawings, and my art has also evolved through this MFA program. So I like the idea of starting at one point and ending at another.